Hey guys, Austin here with Volt Life Proof Grooming, and today I want to talk about an awesome new product that Volt has just released. This product hopefully is going to kind of change the game and change the way you maybe think about having a beard or styling your beard in the first place, and all in a really cool, simple way. And of course, the product we're going to be talking about today is Volt's Clear Shave. So today let's just talk about what Clear Shave is, what it does, why we made it the way we did, and what you can expect from using Volt's Clear Shave. So all in all, Volt's Clear Shave is a clear shaving gel that is meant to deliver the most precise and comfortable shave you can possibly get. But you may be asking yourself, okay, every shaving gel, every shaving cream or shaving butter out there is supposed to help you get a comfortable shave. That's kind of the whole point. It's supposed to help the razor glide across the skin really easily and without cutting, burning, or anything like that. But Clear Shave works a little bit differently. Our clear shaving gel is packed with a lot of natural ingredients that you really don't often find in things like shaving creams. For example, aloe gel, which soothes burns and cuts and actually provides kind of a natural glide. Apart from that, there's things like hyaluronic acid, which again provides a natural glide for your razor, but also moisturizes and hydrates the skin. And then you have some cooler ingredients that are pretty rare, like menthol, which actually gives a cooling sensation to the skin when you use it, as well as reduces irritation and inflammation and that kind of burn that a razor can give you over time. Apart from that, just another example of one of the natural ingredients we have is vitamin E. Vitamin E contains natural antioxidants and supports healthy skin and hair. So all of this to say that these natural ingredients provide you the most comfortable shave possible. But what gives you the most precise shave, like we said earlier as well? Well, that is where the whole point of clear gel really comes in. It's clear. This is not going to be like your typical foam up shaving cream. If you have a beard or any type of facial hair that you need to sculpt the lines of when you shave, for example, your neckline down here, your cheek line up here, things like that, then having a clear kind of shaving lubricant is actually really important. And that is for one reason. With a clear shaving lubricant, you can see exactly where your lines need to be in real time as you shave. Because once you shave, it's kind of done. You can't really get that place back, which means you want to get it right the first time. And the only way to do that is by knowing exactly where the razor should start and stop. So a clear shaving gel is practically translucent. You can see right through it. And like in the demonstration, being able to see through that lubricant means you can place the razor exactly where you need it. Not to mention this stuff smells awesome and gives you a really interesting kind of cooling sensation due to the menthol when you use it. The other really interesting benefit of Volt's Clear Shave is that you don't need running water to make it work. You can apply this directly on dry skin and still get a really comfortable, really smooth glide for your razor. Which means that if you were camping or anything like that, this would be the perfect shaving gel to take with you, because all you need is a little cup, maybe not even a cup, a stream of water or something like that, and you can shave really, really well. And here at Volt, we're all about the great outdoors, right? So we decided to make a travel size bottle if you were to take that suggestion and go camping with this stuff. Not to mention this little travel size bottle fits perfectly into the Volt Go Pack right next to the Volt Aftershave that you can use in tandem with this thing, and the beard wash and all that stuff. Now, if you're wondering why these bottles look a little interesting, it's because they are. Volt's Clear Shave is packaged in this high-grade aluminum bottle. You may be wondering why we do that, and we do that for the same reason we do that with most of the other brand new products that we had just recently released. And that is because you can buy refill packs in order to refill this aluminum bottle, so you're not having to throw away something like a plastic bottle every time you're done with one of these products. You keep this one aluminum bottle and then you get a refill pack that's also in an aluminum pouch, because aluminum is better for the environment since it's more recyclable than plastic is, and you can use that pouch to refill this whenever you run out of your Volt Clear Shave. All in all, over time, that is not only going to save you money because it lowers the cost per ounce of the product, but it also benefits the environment since you're not throwing away bottles. All of our Volt bottles come with this really cool locking pump. You just twist it and now you can't press it down. It's not going to spill anywhere or anything like that, which is especially good if you do decide to take this stuff on the road with you. And of course, the travel bottle has the same thing. Using Volt's Clear Shave is really as simple as squirting some of it onto your hand, rubbing it where you want to shave, taking a sharp razor and shaving, and then wiping it off. That's really all there is to it. So overall, here are the three main benefits of the Volt Clear Shave. Firstly, it's a clear formulation. You can see straight through it when you apply it, which means you can sculpt the most perfect beard lines possible. Secondly, because it's clear, it often doesn't show up anywhere anyways, which means you can use it and apply it anytime and anywhere, because you don't need running water to wipe it all off. Just a towel or even a shirt will do. And lastly, it's packaged packaged in our signature aluminum bottles, so you can buy refill packs, save some money, and benefit the environment as well, because you're not throwing away plastic or anything like that every time you need a brand new shaving product. So I hope you guys liked this little video. If you're interested in Volt's Clear Shave or Volt's Aftershave, I'll have all the links to all the products in the description below, as well as a link to the Go Pack that you saw earlier. If you guys are considering picking up some Volt products, I would highly recommend that you sign up for Volt's Amp It Up Rewards program. It's completely free, and that way every time you do purchase a product from Volt, you'll also get amps, which are like Volt's version of points that you can use for future products, for shipping options, things like that. Hopefully you guys know a little bit more about why a clear shave is better, or maybe a little more desirable than something like a shaving cream would be. And for me at least, it's just the most convenient way to go. But tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.